So Graham, we've launched the portal, but what about the staff managers that need to be trained on the system and what access they have?
Yeah, I mean, with any software, the biggest problem is always the fact that people need to get time to get their head around how to use it, and it can be a bit daunting at first. But what we normally do, or we like to do, is to get them connected with our support team, maybe over a Teams meeting or something like that, and take them through the site. So how to use it, the best practices for it, and get the real value for them to be able to use it. And this can be done anytime, and you're speaking to the same people that are the actual support staff, so they know all the foibles and things that are going to happen with the site. If you're not sure about one thing or the other, they're there for your support. And that support isn't one where it's just you book it in or whatever. You just pick up the phone and ring them. 5 days a week, 9 till 5, there's always somebody there to just help you through, hold your hand and guide you through it. And it makes it a lot easier because then the managers get more of a buy-in. So they're going to be happy with it anyway.